What's up, travel lovers? Are you staring at your empty suitcase, wondering how on earth you are going to fit 2 weeks' worth of stuff into a carry-on for your European adventure? Well, you have come to the right place because today I am going to completely change the way you think about packing. I am talking about a game-changing method that lets you travel light, save money on baggage fees, and still look amazing every single day of your trip. Picture this. You are walking through the cobblestone streets of Paris, exploring the canals of Amsterdam, or hiking through the Swiss Alps, and you are not dragging around a massive suitcase that weighs more than you do. Instead, you have got everything you need in one perfectly packed carry-on that glides effortlessly beside you. Sound impossible? Trust me, it is not. I have cracked the code on European travel packing, and I am about to share my secret weapon with you. It is called the 5-4-3-2-1 method, and it is going to revolutionize your entire approach to travel packing. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to pack, how to pack it, and how to make every single item work overtime for your trip. But first, let me tell you why this matters so much. European airlines can be brutal with baggage restrictions and fees. We are talking about potential charges that could easily add $100 or more to your trip cost. Plus, when you are hopping between multiple cities and dealing with stairs, cobblestones, and crowded train stations, you will thank yourself for traveling light. Now, before we dive into the actual packing strategy, make sure and subscribe and leave a comment below saying, "I subscribed." I will try my best to reply to your comments. Let us talk about choosing the right luggage. This is absolutely crucial because the wrong bag can make or break your entire packing system. You want something that maximizes space while staying within airline restrictions. I have tested multiple carry-on options, and there are some clear winners that I will share with you. The key is finding a bag that strikes the perfect balance between size, weight, and durability. European airlines tend to be stricter about dimensions than many other regions, so you cannot just grab any carry-on and hope for the best. Look for bags that are specifically designed with international travel in mind. Hard shell cases can be great for protection, but soft-sided luggage often gives you a bit more flexibility when it comes to squeezing into those airline sizes. Your personal item is just as important as your main bag. This is where you will store everything you need during your flight and easy access items throughout your trip. Think about bags that can slide over your luggage handle and sit securely on top. You will also want something with multiple compartments to keep your electronics, toiletries, and travel documents organized. Do not forget about your day bag situation. You need something that transitions seamlessly from tourist mode to dinner out. Crossbody bags are fantastic for security and comfort, especially when you are navigating busy European cities where pickpocketing can be a concern. Look for bags with multiple compartments and versatile styling that works with different outfits. Now, let us get into the real magic. The 5-4-3-2-1 packing method. This formula is your roadmap to packing success. 5 tops give you the foundation of your wardrobe. 4 bottoms provide variety while keeping things streamlined. 3 layers handle weather changes and unique occasions. 2 pairs of shoes cover all your bases. And 1 extra item adds flexibility for specific activities. Here is how this breaks down in real life. Your 5 tops might include a mix of t-shirts and tank tops that can work for daytime sightseeing, casual dinners, or even light exercise. Choose pieces in coordinating colors that mix and match effortlessly. Merino wool is fantastic for travel because it is naturally odor-resistant, meaning you can wear pieces multiple times between washes. For bottoms, think versatility. Comfortable shorts for warm weather exploring, pants that work for cooler evenings or more upscale dining, and something in between. The key is choosing pieces that work with multiple tops and can be dressed up or down depending on the situation. Your 3 layers are your secret weapon for European weather, which can be notoriously unpredictable. A light cardigan works for air conditioning or cool evenings. A slightly warmer way handles temperature drop. And a long-sleeve shirt gives you another layering way while doubling as a standalone top. 2 pairs of shoes might seem limiting, but it's absolutely doable with the right choices. Your primary walking shoes need to be comfortable enough for 20,000 steps, while still looking good enough for restaurants and attractions. Your second pair might be sandals for summer travel, dressier flats, or even lightweight hiking shoes depending on your itinerary. That one extra item is where you customize for your specific trip. A swimsuit for Mediterranean beaches, a dress for special dinners, maybe workout clothes if fitness is important to you. This flexibility lets you adapt the system to your personal travel style. But wait, there is more to consider beyond just clothes. Your travel day outfit does not count toward your packing formula because you are wearing it. Choose something comfortable for long flights that also works as a casual outfit once you arrive. Think comfortable pants, a breathable top, and a cozy layer for airplane temperature fluctuations. Underwear and pajamas follow simple math. Pack enough for about 7 days, which gives you flexibility for doing laundry mid-trip. European cities have plenty of laundromats, and many accommodations offer washing facilities. Do not overpack these basics. Accessories can make or break your packing efficiency. A silk scarf adds elegance and warmth without taking up space. A versatile belt works with multiple outfits. Keep jewelry simple and coordinated. Everything should serve multiple purposes in your travel wardrobe. Technology and practical items need special attention for European travel. A power bank is absolutely essential, especially when you are using your phone constantly for navigation, photos, and staying connected. European outlets require adapters, and some devices might need voltage converters. Research your specific destinations to avoid any surprises. Your toiletry strategy can save significant space and weight. Consider solid alternatives like shampoo bars and toothpaste tablets. These bypass liquid restrictions and often last longer than traditional products. A hanging toiletry bag works wonders in cramped European hotel bathrooms, where counter space is often non-existent. International connectivity deserves serious consideration. Roaming charges can destroy your budget, and spotty Wi-Fi can leave you stranded when you need directions or accommodation check-in codes. Electronic SIM cards offer flexible, cost-effective solutions that activate as soon as you land. Seasonal adjustments are crucial for European travel. Summer in the Mediterranean calls for lighter fabrics, more shorts, and sun protection. Northern Europe in spring or fall might require swapping tank tops for long sleeves and adding an extra layer. The beauty of this system is its adaptability. Packing technique matters just as much as what you pack. Rolling clothes saves space for some items, while folding works better for others. Compression packing cubes are game changers for maximizing space and staying organized. They also make unpacking and repacking much easier when you are moving between cities. Weather contingency planning prevents packing disasters. Check forecasts before you leave and consider adding a lightweight rain jacket if needed. European weather can change quickly, especially in shoulder seasons. A packable rain layer takes up minimal space but provides maximum peace of mind. Your pre-trip preparation sets you up for success. Test your shoes with long walks before you travel. Make sure all your electronics work with your adapters and converters. Try on your complete outfits to ensure everything coordinates properly. This preparation prevents expensive mistakes and uncomfortable surprises. The beauty of this system lies in its flexibility and efficiency. You are not just randomly throwing things in a bag and hoping for the best. Instead, you are creating a carefully curated travel wardrobe where every single item has multiple purposes and works with everything else you have packed. Remember, the goal is not to pack as little as possible just for the sake of it. The goal is to pack smart so you can travel more comfortably, save money, and focus on enjoying your European adventure instead of wrestling with oversized luggage every single day. So, there you have it. Your complete guide to packing 2 weeks' worth of European travel essentials in just one carry-on bag. The 5-4-3-2-1 method takes the guesswork out of packing while ensuring you have everything you need for an amazing trip. Start planning your European adventure today, and do not forget to grab that free packing checklist to keep yourself organized. Safe travels, and I cannot wait to hear about your incredible European journey.